how to permanently delete photos from iCloud using iPhone. So let's get started. First thing first, unlock your iPhone, then tap on the Safari web browser option available there. Now inside Safari, simply tap in the search address bar and search for the iCloud.com. After you search for the iCloud.com, make sure to sign in using your Apple ID. Now once the sign-in process is completed, you will be navigated to the iCloud.com website. Now once the website is loaded, you will get to see photos option available there. Simply tap on it. Once inside the photos, you will get to see option like you have synced your photos with iCloud. But in my case, I have not synced my iCloud photos, so I cannot see anything. But if you have synced, then you will get to see delete option available there after you tap on the photos. So after you delete it here, it will be deleted on your phone as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.